अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द प्राइम गाइड डिस्क्रीट स्ट्रक्चर्स के आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग पढ़ने जा रहे हैं इनवर्स ऑफ अ फंक्शन, फंक्शंस कॉम्पोजिशन एंड द स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग एंड द स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शंस। तो अब हम लोग लेक्चर की तरफ चलते हैं। ओके, व्हाट इज इनवर्स ऑफ अ फंक्शन? A function f is basically the function that assigns to an element small b which belongs to a set capital B and with the unique element small a in capital A set such that f of a is equals to b. This is the definition of function जो हम लोगों ने previous lecture में भी पढ़ी थी। अगर किसी ने वो lecture नहीं लिया तो आप लोग उस lecture को देख सकते हैं। So इस function का inverse हम लोग किस तरीके से लिखेंगे? इसके inverse को हम लोग basically denote with f inverse, that is this symbol. And how can we write the inverse of this function? It is f inverse of small b is equals to a when f of a is equals to b. For example, अगर हमारे पास कोई function था, let us suppose that function of, for example, we have a function x plus 1. So function of 1 is equals to 2. This is the case. So how can we write the inverse of this particular function? We will write it like f inverse of 2 is equals to 1. So this is the way we are going to denote this inverse. Okay. Now there's a question for you, that if a function is from real numbers to real numbers and the function is x square, is this function invertible or not? So go and just pause this video and think about it, that can we find out the inverse of this function or not? So guys, let me tell you one thing, that a function is not invertible if it is not a one-to-one correspondent function, if there is no one-to-one correspondence between the two functions. What is one-to-one correspondence? When one element of the set A is mapped to only one element of the set B, as I have discussed it in the previous video. So if there is no one-to-one correspondence in the function, that is, we have a one-to-one correspondence between it. अगर हम लोग इस f of x is equals to x square की Venn diagram बनाएं, and we suppose that we have two values 3 and -3 और दोनों का square 9 आता है, यहाँ पर correspondence 1 to 1 नहीं है, तो जब हम लोग इसका inverse लिखेंगे तो हम लोग किस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, that f inverse of 9. Now how can we write a single thing over here जबकि हमारे पास इसके दो आंसर्स हैं, दो प्री इमेजेस हैं एक इमेज के लिए, तो फिर हम इस केस में ऐसे फंक्शंस का इन्वर्स नहीं निकाल सकते. ओके, सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द फंक्शन टू बी वन टू वन कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंट अगर हम लोगों ने उसका इन्वर्स निकालना है. ओके, अगर मैं कहूँ दैट this function is not from real numbers to real numbers, rather it is from the positive numbers, positive real numbers to the positive real numbers, उस केस में क्या ये फंक्शन 1 to 1 है? तो यस, ये फंक्शन 1 to 1 होगा. तो फिर क्या इस फंक्शन का इन्वर्स एग्जिस्ट कर सकता है? तो यस, कर सकता है. अगर हम लोग पॉजिटिव नंबर्स टू पॉजिटिव नंबर्स लें, फिर हम लोग एफ इन्वर्स ऑफ 9 को लिख सकते हैं एज 3 ओनली. सो it is very important for the function to be 1 to 1 if you want to find the inverse of it. Okay, next concept की तरफ आते हैं, that is the composition of a function. Okay, let g be a function from set A to set B. Here is a function g that is basically from set A to the set B, and another function we have an f from set B to set C. Then composition of functions of f and g, like this f and this g. How can we write this? Okay, first of all हमें क्या पता है कि हमारे पास एक फंक्शन है g that is from capital A to capital B. इसको हम लोग किस तरीके से डिनोट करते हैं? g of small a. And another function that is from this capital B to the capital C, that is f. So it is basically this g of a is having another function, so we will write it like function of g of a. So this is the way we write the composition of function when we have more than two sets, and here function is applied on the two individual sets. So this is the way we are going to write the composition. So from A to B it is g of A, from B to C it is function of g of A. Okay, it is not only f of A. Okay, so this is the way we write the composition. एग्जाम्पल की तरफ आएंगे. ओके, अब इस एग्जाम्पल में वो हम लोग से कह रहे हैं लेट f and g be the functions from set of integers to set of integers. set of integers to set of integers हमारे पास दो सेट्स हैं और f और g जो हैं वो दो functions हैं. that is basically f of x is this one and g of x is this. so how can we write the composition of f and g? so यहाँ पर एक बात नोट करने वाली है स्टूडेंट्स, वो ये नोट करने वाली है कि जब भी हमारे पास इस तरीके से composition लिखी हो f and g, it means that you have to write f before g. So how can we denote f and g? It will be denoted as f of g of x. It means we are going to insert the value of g of x inside the function. Okay, so function of this g of x. So how we will insert this g of x inside the function? The function was 2x plus 3, so instead of x we are going to write the value of the g of x, that is 3x plus 2. So by inserting values we are going to simplify the results and we will find the results. Okay, similarly when we are going to find out the composition of g and f, so we are going to, how we are going to represent it as, it is going to represent it as g of f. So we are going to insert the value of f of x inside g. So g was 3x plus 2, so inside x we are going to write the value of the function f. So this would become 3 into 2x plus 3 plus 2, and this would be the simplified result of it. Okay, next concept की तरफ आते हैं, that is strictly increasing and the strictly decreasing function. Okay, a function is basically from set A to set B and A and B belongs to the real numbers. It is always strictly increasing if x is less than y. For example, if we have 2 is less than 3, and whenever we are going to put the values of this x inside the function, that function of x is also less than the function of y. It means that the function is increasing. Okay, now let us talk about strictly decreasing. Okay, if x is less than y and function of x is greater than function of y, okay, it is called as strictly decreasing. Because you can see कि यहाँ पर हम लोग देखते हैं कि y जो है वो बड़ा है, लेकिन फंक्शन में डालने के बाद फंक्शन ऑफ y की वैल्यू छोटी हो गई है फंक्शन ऑफ x से. तो यहाँ पर क्या हुआ है, फंक्शन में डालने की वजह से उसकी वैल्यूज में डिक्रीज आया है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग. लेकिन ऊपर वाले केस में वो एज इट इज रह रहा था. अगर x y से छोटा था तो फंक्शन ऑफ x भी फंक्शन ऑफ y से छोटा था. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग एंड इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शंस. This is all from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel The Prime Guide. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, and all the videos of our will be given to you. Do follow us on our Instagram The Prime Guide, and do stay tuned with our YouTube content. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.